Good morning, student. Welcome to the Ganjoti online classes. I am your English teacher. So today we discuss two kites, chapter 8, English reader. So dear student, first you open your book, page number 64. Page number 64. Two kites, small poem. Okay. So first you open your book and copy. Okay. Then we have to start this chapter. Two kites. Two means दो, kites means पतंग. दो पतंग यहाँ पे हिंदी में नेक्स्ट होगा. So which festival do those kite flying remind you of? So कौन सा फेस्टिवल में ये काइट फ्लाइंग होता है यानी कि ये पतंग उड़ाते हैं. So you have to remind which festival? The festival's name is Gudi Padwa or Patang contest. I think फरवरी और मार्च के बीच ये मनाया जाता है. ये फेस्टिवल बहुत ही धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है और बहुत ही लोग एंजॉय करते हैं इस फेस्टिवल को. So just read this poem. Two kites, red and white in a sky so blue. Two kites, red and white in a sky so blue. Two kites, red and white on they flew. So यहाँ पे कहा जा रहा है कि टू काइट्स, जो दो पतंग जो है, एक है लाल और एक है व्हाइट यानी कि सफेद. एक लाल कलर और एक सफेद कलर जो है, जो स्काई में ब्लू कलर में जो दिख रहा है स्काई, वहां पे ये स्थित है और बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे हैं. टू काइट्स रेड एंड व्हाइट on they flew यानी कि वो हिनेल पे उड़ रहे हैं. The golden sun was the sun, cloud was its true. उसके बाद golden sun यानी कि जो चमकता हुआ सूरज, यहाँ पे गोल्डन कहा गया है सूरज को. और इसी खुशी को देख रहे हैं, इसी मजा ले रहे हैं. जो पतंग जो है आकाश में उड़ता हुआ दिखाई दे रहा है, उसी के साथ क्लाउड्स यानी कि मेघ यहाँ पे, उसको भी देखकर बहुत ही खुशी महसूस कर रहे हैं. और इसको बहुत ही मजेदार तरीके से सन और क्लाउड्स दोनों ही इसको देखकर बहुत ही खुशी अनुभव कर रहे हैं. बॉयज क्लैप एंड बर्ड्स क्लैप. कुछ बच्चे जो हैं नीचे हैं, जो हैं उन लोग क्लैप कर रहे हैं यानी ताली बजा रहे हैं. और बर्ड्स क्लैप यानी कि बर्ड्स को, चिड़िया जो है आकाश में उड़ता हुआ जा रहे हैं. और बहुत ही रोचक मनमोहक यहाँ पे एक तस्वीर, पिक्चर जो है दिखाई दे रहा है. द ब्रीज ब्लू एंड ब्लू एंड ब्रीज ए जेंटल वाइंड आल्सो ब्लू एंड ब्लू यानी हमारा जो सुंदर फ्रेश हवा जो है, ये भी मतलब एक तरीका से इसका भी मजा ले रहे हैं. और जेंटल तरीके से ये जो हवा भी मजा ले रहे हैं कि हवा के सहारे से ही पतंग जो है उड़ता है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, जस्ट ये मीनिंग्स ऑफ टू काइट्स you have to understand it. Then I have repeat in this chapter small poem. Two kites, red and white in a sky so blue. Two kites, red and white on they flew. The golden sun was the fun, clouds watched it too. Boys clapped and birds clapped. The breeze blew and blew. It's very amazing. One of the describing the writers is very smoothly describing this poem. Is very interesting because two kites is very interesting part of our lives. Okay, then you have to also flying kites at a season and a festival of kites festivals. Okay, you know about which day we have to celebrate festival of kites. Okay, so इसका हिंदी मैंने आपको मैं फिर बताया था. गुड़ी पड़वा यानी कि ये हमारा काइट्स का फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है. So the student we have to read this one also is very interesting, very fun and enjoyable. Two kites red and white in a sky so blue. Two kites red and white on the flame. The golden sun was the fun, clouds was its too. Boys clapped and birds clapped. The breeze blew and blew. It's very so, dear students, just you have to read this poem. It's very interesting and fun. Uh, and two kites, red and white, in a sky so blue. Sky is so blue, and visible in sky. Two kites fly on the sky is very interesting and very fun, and we have to know about kites are flying so much and the sky deeply and the clouds also. The kites red and white, two kites red and white, on they fly. They fly on and on, which place have never begin or never knowing theirs, which place are going that the kites just play on the sky. The golden sun was the fun, clouds was it too. The golden sun is watches a two kites is very fun and watches a very beautiful. The clouds was is too. Clouds also watches a two kites of. So dear student, the golden sun was the fun, clouds was is too. So golden sun also was the two kites on the sky is very fun and beautiful. Clouds also was it too. Boys clapped and boys on the down on the sky. The clapped all the boys and birds clapped. Birds also flapped on the sky. The breeze blew and breeze blew. The breeze blew and the white, a gentle whites, the meaning of breeze. So it's beautiful moments. The boys clap and the dance. The flying the two kites is very beautiful on the sky. The birds clapped and breeze blew and blew. It's the very funny moments in the sky. Two kites are flying together. One is the red and another is the white. Okay. So dear student, the this chapter is finished, but you have to just write new words. New words, write on your copy. It's very important for you. So you have to write. See the blackboard. On and on. Okay. Here, kept going. Okay. This means kept going. Watch यानी कि देखना, देखते रह जाना. बहुत ही मनमोहक और सुंदर तस्वीर आकाश में छाया हुआ. So look at the flag. Which one? The golden sun and clouds. Looked at the two kites on the sky. The flapped, moved its wings quickly. फ्लैप्ड यानी कि बहुत ही जल्दी रफ्तार से ये क्विकली उड़ना. फ्लैप्ड जो चिड़िया है वो आकाश में उड़ती जा रही है. Very interesting moment and very enjoyable and fun. The moment is very sceneries. जो चिड़िया जो है उड़ते जा रहे हैं. A gentle breeze means a gentle wind. ये gentle wind यानी कि खुशनुमा खुशनुमा और बहुत ही सुंदर और फ्रेश एयर को बोला जा सकता है। ए ब्रीज ब्ले एंड ब्लू यानी कि हवा उड़ते ही जा रहा है, उड़ते ही जा रहा है। हवा में काइट जो है उड़ते ही जा रहे हैं। बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से यहाँ पे कवि जो है मतलब वर्णन किए हैं। सो जस्ट आई हैव टू यूजिंग हिंदी वर्ड्स बिकॉज यू हैव टू नो ए डीपली एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट। सो आई जस्ट using Hindi words. Okay, so you have to read in your home. Okay, at the time of 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, you have to understand the chapters. What say two kites? Okay, then a small poem but is very interesting and very enjoyable, and we have to know how kites are watching on the sky fly that time. Okay, so just you have to write also any words. Okay, so dear student, just we know about just doing a question answer. So first you open your copy, okay, and book also, page number 65. Okay, fill in the blanks with these words. So fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Some words is here at the top of the book. Okay. See the book. Cloud, sun, cloud, sky, cloud. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 word is here. So just we have to sentence 1, 5. Okay. Then we have to do which place using which words. So just see the blackboard. Word number 2. First, 2 kites fly on and on. Okay. Here the sentence is completed, so we have to using 2 kites fly on and on. Okay. Then number 2, the kites fly in the sky. The kites fly in the sky. So we have to just write and put in the place sky. So write inside the sky. The kites fly in the sky. Which place? Sky. So dear student, we have to do just 1 and 2 number. Then do and do yourself in others number, rest others number 3, 4, 5. Just see the book. Okay. The sun and the clouds watches the fun. Which one? The golden sun. So here is the sun. So we have to use sun, and the clouds was the fun. Which one was the fun? The 2 kites watches the sun and clouds. Okay. I told you again. The sun and the clouds watches the fun. Next, put number the boys clap with joy. Boys clap with joy. Number 5, the birds flap their wings. And the birds flap their wings. At the time of 2 kites on the sky, the birds also flapped their wings. उनका जो डेना है, यानी कि उनका जो एक विंग्स है जो फ्लैप करते हुए उड़ी जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो वी यूज फ्लैप देयर विंग्स. So dear student, fill in the blanks with these words. We have to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words is here. We have to use in these blanks different numbers and put the blanks. Okay. So this one also completed. So the next number, we play outdoor games outside in open. We play indoor games inside the home. look at this picture and tick the outdoor games. So we have to many time play with outdoor indoor game. Okay, indoor means you have to play with only home, but outdoor we have to outside in our home. Okay, यानी कि घर से जो बाहर में खेलते हैं उसको बोला जाता है आउटडोर गेम्स, जो घर में खेला जाता है उसको बोलते हैं इंडोर गेम. Okay, so just you have to know. Okay, just you have to know this one and see the picture. First you have see the picture. 1 2 3 4 5 6 number is here. Which one is the outdoor, which one is the indoor? Just you have to think only outdoor game. Okay, not the indoor game. So one number is just play the carom board. So carom board, which place we have to play? Indoor game. This is only doing or playing in our home. So this one is left. Do not tick this one. Number one is we have to leave it. Okay, so because this one is a indoor game, not outdoor. Then boys at the time of झूला बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? झूला. Okay, so this one also outdoor game. Okay, not indoor. इसको हम लोग गार्डन में खेल सकते हैं या और कहीं लगा के खेल सकते हैं, लेकिन घर से बाहर है. So you have to tick this one. Then this one also playing a two kites or one kites. See the picture. One kites holding one kites and play with one boys. Okay, so this one outdoor game. So we have to tick this one. Number four, playing game in the TV box or another. So another sites. So we have to call this one indoor game. This is playing with home. So leave this one, not a correct one. So we have to just cycling. So number 5 is the outdoor game. Okay, we have to cycling, not in home, because no more place in our home. So we have to play with the ground or roadside. So this one also outdoor game. So you have to tick this one. And this is a game to play together your friends. Okay, one of the games you also know about what is the game. Okay, so this one also outdoor game. So we have to tick this one. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 number completed, and 2 3 5 6 is the what outdoor game, and rest others are 1 and 4 are indoor game. Okay, so dear student, just you have to tick 2 3 5 6. Okay, complete this one. Okay, then you have to discuss when we play outside. We run, we jump, we cycle, and we skip. Playing outside is not only fun, it also helps us to grow strong and healthy. But nowadays every student and every children are not playing in a outdoor side. Okay, just playing a game of mobile. Okay, it's very dangerous for your health, because you have to lost your eyes and lost your mind, and your health also illness, feel illness. So dear student, just a information for you. You know about PUBG games and some Sudoku and other games you have to play in your mobile, but that is not a good for your health. You have to go your friends, or you have to just one person also. You have to run in morning time, evening time, and your health also benefited, and you have to also benefit your health, and is very good for your health, and you have to healthy a long life, and you have to you jump also, you cycling also. Maximum student the 8 year 9 year 10 years maximum student just class, pass out the 8 or 9, then his father's bike riding, okay, and is very dangerous for you, okay. So don't do that time of work. We have to cycling in miles. At least you have to just 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. You have to cycling daily. Then you have to benefit it. Okay. Then you have to feed your body, feed your mind, and some girls are skipping, but nowadays the only just you have to watch mobile, a film, a games, and many other things. We have to disturb your mind and disturb your classes. So don't do that type of work. Playing outside and is fun. It's very fun and helps us to grow a strong, healthy. Discuss why we should play outside instead of playing games on computers and mobiles. Video games and computers and mobiles. It's benefited for you. You have to outside your mind, set up your mind. Okay, set up your mind and benefited for you because discuss your friend which one is the best for your health and do yourself, your friend said. So you have to just go outside and play many other games, okay? And you have to run at morning time, evening time, and you have to go gym, okay? You have to go gym and be healthy and work out, okay? And that is the very good for you and good for your health. And do not watch a video games on mobile and computer is the very dangerous for you. So don't use a maximum time. You have to use and watch a time and half an hours or 1.5 hours in a day, but it's not important for you. Okay. So dear student, discuss your friend and your parents. Watching your right decision, which is the your importance for you. You have to grow or strong your life. Okay. So just you have to match the picture name of the shapes. Just you have to see the picture. It's rainbow, starfish, a kite, and egg. Okay. Match the picture name of the shape. Here is the different shape. We have to see. Okay. Then which one is the right answer? Just I have to doing earlier. Okay. Just you have to read written in your copy or book. Rainbow. Rainbow is semicircle, not a full circle. Okay. So rainbow is a semicircle. Just you have match. Then a kite, a diamond type. Okay. So diamond shape. A starfish. Starfish is the star. Okay. And then an egg is the oval shape. So complete it. Just see the picture. See the picture. Rainbow is the semicircle. A kite is the diamond shape, and starfish is the star. And an egg is the oval shape. Okay. So complete it. You have to see the book. Okay, and do yourself. Then circle the all words is raw. Okay. Here is the some words. Okay. Hope, run, kick, sit, chew, milk, wolf, slow, speak, talk, say, cry. Some word is here, so you have to circle all words in each row. यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिया गया है जो इससे और लग रहा है, आपको उसको पॉइंट आउट करना है, सर्कल करना है. सो हॉप का कौन सा होगा, चेव का कौन सा होगा, स्पीक का कौन सा होगा. Do yourself, okay, in your home. It's very easy, not a difficult. Okay, so do yourself. It's your homework. Then grammar side, fill in the blanks using these describing words. Here is the some picture. Okay, here is the some pictures. Bright, colorful, happy, sad. 4 words is here. So what we use in a picture? See the book. Okay, first a picture. A girls, a happy girls. ए हैप्पी, गर्ल्स जो है हंस रही है, सो वी हैव टू जस्ट यूजिंग हैप्पी एंड पुट इन द ब्लैंक्स हैप्पी। नंबर 2, ए शार्प नाइफ, बहुत ही मतलब शार्प नाइफ, सो वी हैव टू use sharp knife, okay. Then a bright sun, the sun is also bright in the sky, okay, on the sky, so is using a bright sun. Then fourth number, the colorful rainbow, कलरफुल कितने कलर रहता है रेनबो का? 7 कलर, ओके, इन द शेप ऑफ सेमी सर्कल इन ए कलरफुल रेनबो. A maximum color is 7, okay, so we have to put in this blanks colorful rainbow, a colorful rainbow. So putting the words also 1 2 3 4, so okay, so this one also completed. Then underline the describing word in this sentence, okay. See the blackboards, some question we have to do and fill in the blanks or underline it. Just you see the blackboards, underline the describing word, underline the describing words in this sentence. Some sentences here, okay, some sentences here, so we have to underline the. So dear student, underline the describing words in this sentence. So the sentence I have to read written in on the blackboards. I need a ruler. You know also what is describing words to draw. A straight line. Okay. So which one is the describing words? Okay. I need a ruler to draw a straight line. So ruler is the describing word. So you have to underline it. Okay. Then number 2, the end of a needle is pointed. So dear student, first watch the sentence. The end of needle is pointed. Okay. So which one is the describing words? You have to just know, and I have told already previous classes. So which one is the describing words? Needle. Needle is the describing words. Okay. So we have to underline it. So dear student, I will do 1 and 2 number. Rest others number 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to do yourself. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. This number you have to do yourself and underline it. Okay. And complete this one. You have to just try it. If you don't know, then don't worry. I am just giving in next time. Okay. In PDF file, I will just ask a next time. Okay. So don't worry, just you try. Which one is very easy. Underline the describing word in this sentence is very easy. Okay. So rest 3, 4, 5, 6 number you have to do yourself. Then others pronunciation. Read this word aloud. Note how EW sound same as the letter U. Okay. Just some word is here. Note EW sound as the letter U. Okay, read aloud and not how. Dev, near, refuse, dev, nephew. Okay, so this one you have to complete it. Then others number, fill in the blanks with these words. Okay, view, drive, stray, view, move. You have to just understand the sentence and understand the words. You have to know. Then you have to fill the easily all the sentence, all the words. Okay. So my school bag is new. Here I just fill in earlier. Just my school bag is new. So we have to fill in this blanks. New is the right answer. A sentence is also completed. Number two. I stare a colorful clown. I stare a colorful clown is the sentence complete. Stare we have to put this in this place. Stare. The balcony had beautiful view. Okay, view देखना. Okay, so the balcony had a beautiful view. I sat on a pew outside the church. You have to use these blanks. Pew, P-E-W. Number 5, I quickly ate vegetable drew. Drew, it means a we have to quickly eat. View, बहुत तुरंत बहुत जल्दी जल्दी खा जाना. Okay, कुछ भी चीज को. So just a meanings. So we have to put drew in this place. Number 5, also sentence completed. Then listening and speaking. Okay, listening and speaking is the use sight and you have to do yourself. It is very easy. Listen the audio carefully, write the things. Vanilla is the purple box and the things she dislikes in orange box. Bunny lies only in purple box. Here is the purple box. Okay, and only she dislikes the orange box. Bunny जो है आपका जो ऑरेंज बॉक्स है उसको पसंद नहीं करती है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट ए ऑडियो, जस्ट यू लिसन. Okay, then you have to put in this place 1 to 5 number and 1 to 5 number. But which one is the dislike and which one is the likes, we have to put in this place. Okay, we put in this box. Okay, first you listen audio carefully. Then take him while he tells the class about his likes and dislike. Okay, so chapter is completed. Next, do yourself draw a picture anything you like. It can be clown, frog, लैंडस्केप, कार, हैट और इवन एक ड्रैगन. ओके, आपको जो पसंद है इसमें से क्लाउन बना सकते हो, फ्रॉग बना सकते हो, लैंडस्केप बना सकते हो, कार, हैट और इवन एक ड्रैगन. ओके, जस्ट यू ड्रॉ ए पिक्चर एंड कलर इट. इट्स वेरी easy for you and you have to do yourself. Okay, draw some pictures as you like. A clown, frog, landscape, a car, hat or even dragon. Okay, just you have to complete your chapter. It's very interesting and very meaningful chapters. 2 kites. Okay, number 8 chapter is completed and I hope you have to enjoy the chapter. And just you suggestion, first you read the poem and understand it, then do all the question answer. Okay, rest I have to not complete it for your book. So do yourself in your home. Okay, so dear student, today we complete the 2 kites, the small poem. Okay, so we have to complete all the question answer and stay your home, save yourself and wash your hand many times. A coronavirus is very dangerous virus in our world also, and our India and spread it also Odisha. Okay, so save yourself, save your family. So I hope you all know about our brutalization and see all the video. It's very important for you because nowadays you have to stay your home and first you have to visualization, see all the visualization. Okay, so dear student, today's complete number chapter number 8, 2 kites. So I hope again understand all the chapters very meaningfully. So thank you very much.